on the Pomona freeway involved several cars. 25 states have either refused to expand their Medicaid programs or they're still debating it under President Obama's new health care law, and they could find themselves dishing out more money to bail out.
The Benghazi attack. Travis is popular among Republicans who criticize Clinton's
at the United Center. I can't wait to get back to Chicago. As much as we've enjoyed bonding and the company of being with people like Bill and others on the road, it'll always be a pleasure to return to Chicago and see the fans at the United Center.
Un siglo para desenterrarlo, se produce el 11 de marzo de 1800.
Tough to stop him. And then Cousins had a chip on his shoulder in Sacramento, and the Bulls just didn't play well. And the inconsistencies, Chuck, have been with their offense. Their defense hasn't been up to par at times, but really, you look...